With fall coming up, bass are going to be biting on a lot of bait fish and shallow. I'm going to show you how to rig a weightless fluke. We'll take a 4-wad gap hook through the fluke. We'll go right through the head. Slide the fluke all the way up. Flip it around when you get to the top. Back should be up. Measure out where that hook's gonna go, where the hook's gonna exit. Be right up there. Open up the fluke, poke it through, make sure it's coming in the middle as best as you can get it. Just like that, a nice weedless fluke. Can poke the point in a little bit as well, or it's just as good. There you go. They'll be smacking that.